YouTube album for January 2023. Great Speckled Bird. This is a version I haven't recorded before. I'm pretty sure it was done by Roy Acuff. Roy Acuff was kind of like the grandpa of the Grand Ole Opera. He started out to be a preacher, but he couldn't make any money, and he was singing in bars and singing a few ribald songs. But his songwriting probably includes at least 100 songs, and I'm pretty sure this is one of them. And give you a little shot of it on the harmonica here, and see if we can make it come out on this tremolo here. Let's try. We've got a little bit of THC on the voice here, speaking a little raspy. Sometimes if I get into a different key, I can fool my vocal cords into not thinking they're paralyzed. So here we go. We're going to jump it up into F. Normally I do it in D. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded in the pages of God's holy word. With all the other birds flocking around her, she is so despised by the squab. A great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the great Church of God, desiring to lower her standards. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teachings, but really they find no mistakes. I am glad that I learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book, for I want to be the one never fearing on the face of my Savior to look when he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds that he writes in his word. I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. Review it, but I think we'll go with it. Thank you, Great Speckled Bird, Roy Acuff. Yeah.